Hello guys, today we're reviewing the MSI Codex Z2, a pre-built gaming desktop designed for high-performance play and serious multitasking. At its core, you're getting a powerful AMD Ryzen 7 processor capable of boosting up to around 5 GHz, delivering fast, responsive performance, whether you're gaming, streaming, or working across multiple apps. Paired with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 graphics card, this system handles modern titles with ray tracing and high settings smoothly, giving you detailed lighting and fluid frame rates. You also get 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, which means seamless multitasking and faster load times, along with a spacious 2 terabytes SSD that keeps your games and files launching quickly. Cooling is handled by multiple ARGB fans that not only keep temperatures in check during long sessions but also add customizable RGB flair to your setup. One thing to consider is its full tower size, so make sure you've got enough desk or floor space. Overall, the MSI Codex Z2 delivers strong gaming power, fast storage, and upgrade-ready performance in one clean pre-built package. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.